Welcome to G-Tex Designs. This episode we will be assembling parts 3-33 boiler feed clack of the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get assembling. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be assembling the boiler feed clack parts 3-33 A, B and C. So let's get assembling. Okay, let's open up assembly MMGS. Okay, so let's open up view, hide, show and origins. So we're going to bring in the main body part that goes there. Beautiful. Let's bring in the other two. Click that one, just keep it open. One there and one there. Oh, there. Thank you. Place it up. Don't want to place any more. Yeah, there. Thank you. So I guess this goes in there somewhere. So I guess it's in there loose. But I guess that pushes down, which then puts that onto there. But when it pops up, it goes in the loose. So I'm going to actually go any further. Turn off those settings on. What's the shortcut for this? Origins, there it is. Thank you. Now we want build and save. Yep, thank you very much. Mate. If I do that phase and that one, what does that do? Yeah, it's not what exactly I want. Okay, let me clear that. What I might do, if I do that one and that one, what does that do? That seems to work. But I need, if I do that one and that one. Whoa, where did it put that? Ah, right there. That's it. Nope, that's not what I want. Undo. This is going to be interesting. Never done this before, mating. Because, you know, like it's one surface all over. But what I might do, let me just go out of that. Let me do not. Oh no, I had the right one. That one. Oh, let me pick that one. There we go. That didn't work too well. I want that one. That one. Ah, okay. You can't Okay, that. That one there's hard to pick anything. Let me just go to that one. There we go. Let me just leave that in there. I'm just going to put that in there. I'm not going to mate anything on that. Have I made anything? I'll leave that one there. That seems to work. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so if we now save all, rebuild. Thank you. Don't want to do that before, but this. Okay, so if we go to what just happened? I closed that down accidentally. I think I closed it down accidentally. Okay. Let's see what the heck. Okay, let me mate that one. Mate that phase with that phase. That outer circumference with that circumference. That should be it. There we go. So that's there. Let's now go to normal 2. Let's have a look inside this now. Nope, that's not what I want. That one. There you go. Yeah. That's weird. It doesn't go down far enough to actually close that off. So maybe it's not meant to close it off. Maybe it's just meant to slow the flow. No, it's just looking, all the dimensions are right, so I guess that's it. As said, I'm not an expert on this equipment, so we may have to do changes later on. Let's see what happens. It's half the fun. Half the fun. So that's the assembly of the boiler feed clack done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Enjoyed the episode, click the like button. If you want to see more, subscribing. Thank you everyone that has. Leave comments below. I'll see you next episode, and remember, thank you very much.